Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs. Happy Easter to everyone. I'd like to review my DIY project. This is an artificial flower. It is a sunflower. Look at this. I have here 5 pieces from small, medium, large, extra large, and double XL. So this is 5 pieces of indoor plants, and I put here in the corner within the pot. Just stand, and it is only standing like this. This tube is made of magazine rolls and tissue rolls, kitchen rolls combined all together and wrapped with uh, satin ribbon. But first, you have to roll your magazine, kitchen rolls, and tape and wrap it around with a Scotch tape. And when you join together, you fix it with the hot glue so that it will form a longer tubes. And this flower is made from yellow plastic container of fresh chicken from the market, and it is cut out and shaped pointed type like this. And this base is made from the cover of the glass. Look at this. And I fix it to the back of the tube. Look at here. Fix it in with the hot glue here. And the small pieces cut out of this plastic shape into petals. It is fix it one by one like this. And this is 2 layers. It use a hot glue to fix it all around. And now it looks like this, like a flower, sunflower. And the leaves, this one guys, is made from the plastic bottles of mineral water. Just cut out, fold it, and shape it into like a flowers. And if it is not green, you can paint it with acrylic paint. This one is a transparent color of the mineral water, but on the back side I paint it with acrylic paint, and then I joined it here. First, you have to start from the top and wrap around the ribbon. This is a tube, and then fix the leaves with the use of the hot glue. Fix it into the tube, then continue to wrap with your ribbon, and then next level, the same procedure. You fix it with the glue to two leaves, but in another layer. One is a little bit upper, one is more down, and then wrap around with the use of the ribbon until you finish at the bottom line. So it needs courage and patience when you are going to create a certain project, because if you're only copying and you don't have a determination to finish it, so you cannot finish it when you feel bored already when you are starting. So be sure when you want to create a certain project, you have the determination, you have the courage, the patience that you can do it, and do it by your love from your heart. Because if you don't love your work, you cannot finish one single project. So you need to love your work and appreciate your work, okay? And you need to have patience, paciencia, because if you are not patient, you feel tired and you will not finish your project. So this is how to recycle waste materials, waste plastic cover from the container from the fresh chicken. This fresh chicken container is from Dinner Supermarket from Switzerland, this one. And it's like a square type yellow cover or yellow container. and it is the container for the fresh chicken. And I just wash it and clean it. Then I cut out like a petals and form it like a flowers. Although it takes more time to do this, I don't know how many weeks I created this one, but it is not continuous because I keep collecting our magazine. I'm using the brochure from the market after I'm checking the brochure, so I collected it and I rolled it. Then I collected the tissue rolls, the kitchen rolls, so that I can collect many tubes so that I can form 5 pieces of stem or a trunk of the sunflower, because the sunflower is a little bit tall. So this one is taller. Next, then this one, because this is by layer. So guys, I hope you got an idea how to recycle waste materials and transform into a unique and beautiful home decoration like this. So if you have the courage, if you have interest to learn how to create different projects by transforming the waste material into a beautiful, unique home decoration, just watch out my playlist and you can copy my project. Just watch when you are watching my video, please comment down below that you are copying my project and you are learning through my live tutorial, because if you aren't copying and you are posting your videos to the YouTube, of course I will claim as a copyright. So just watch first my video. This is my agreement from you. Watch my video and comment below that you are watching my videos and you are learning. Otherwise, it will be claimed as a copyright, guys, because this is my originality created by Rafthelsavlogs. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you get many ideas on how to recycle plastic bottles, plastic container, plastic bottles from the mineral water, empty tubes of kitchen rolls, tissue rolls, magazines, and so on and so forth. And this one also is a recycled clay pot. This one is a recycled. This one is already waste. Basura na siya sa aming kapitbahay. Our neighbor already throw this one, and I pick it up and I reuse it for my indoor plants. So hindi yan kinuha sa tabi-tabi. Hiningi ko din yan kasi nilagay na nila sa labas yan. So, thank you for watching, guys. Terima kasih. Paresto puli. Buhut-buhut syukriya. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat, Bidang Chichi. Merci beaucoup. Buen gracias. And take care. God bless everyone. And thank you for watching this premiere. And I see you again in my next premiere. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Rafthelsavlogs. And don't forget to watch my premiere every day at 1 p.m. European time, 6 p.m. Indonesian time, 7 p.m. Philippine time. And in the other countries, I don't know, just check from the internet what is the time difference from your country and the European time. Okay, bye-bye and keep safe. God bless everyone. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel, Rafthelsavlogs. If you want to acquire this project, if you are living in Switzerland or in Germany, I can send this to you by cargo. Just PM me in my messenger, Salglofer. If you want to buy, I will sell this one to you to 50 euro, because I spend also some materials and also, of course, my effort and my labor. So I will give you this as a 50 euro only, all packages, all package. If how much the cost of the cargo, so 50 euro is inclusive all the cargo ship cargo delivery, guys. Okay, bye bye.